Okay, I'm going to use this an example for the Bubble Bingo, the new game that Connie is putting out today. I played the game. This is level 11, and I made 173,445. That is my score. So I'm going to go over and look at the bingo card, and this is what I'm looking for. So again, my score is 173,445. So we want to look for numbers that we can get a bingo out of. You don't need to use all the numbers. You don't need to have them in line, like straight down the line, but you can pick out certain numbers on a vertical. You can do a diagonal. You can do a horizontal. You have to keep within the lines, but you don't have to have them in order that they are placed, and you don't have to use all of them. So looking at my score at 173,445, here is a 1, 7, no 3, but here's a 4, and here's a 4, and there is no 5. But looking around, doing this kind of quick, because since it is a video, I have a 1, 7, 3, but that is all for that one. So my best bet looks like I'm going to do a 1, 7, no 3, but I do have a 4, and I do have a 4, but no 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a snip of this. The snipping tool is what you are using to make your screenshots. So come down to your snipping tool, look down over here. You're going to push the down arrow and you're going to do a rectangle snip of this bingo card. Rectangle snip. And then you are going to, oops, that didn't work. I'm sorry, let me do that again. Going to do a rectangle snip. And see this little plus sign right here? I want you to take it on your left, use your left finger, push down on your mouse, and I want you just to draw a line, a square around this bingo card. Okay, let me show you again. Going to do rectangle snip and come up here to the corner, left click, keep your finger down and just bring it down to the opposite corner, and that is a rectangle snip. Let it go. We now have this picture, okay? Now come up here, see this little bitty dot? See where it says pin? I want you to left click and hit pin. Now you see this little bitty dot? I'm making a circle of it. Come down here and I'm going to draw a line. Look at the under the O for bingo. This is the one that we were talking about. I'm going to use the numbers of 1, 7, 4, 4 out of this line for my score. My score again was 173,445. But I can't get all my numbers in, and right now this is the best that I can do. So I'm going to take this little bitty dot. I don't know if you see it. It's right here on the number 4. See, I'm making a little circle of it. Just take it, left click on your mouse, keep your finger down, and just draw a line all the way down. That is going to show Connie that these numbers are the match of my screenshot, okay? So all you have to do is go up here to the top right and X out. Just X out. And hit no. You don't want to save it unless you do want to save it. And then, of course, push yes. And you can save it to your pictures on your computer, but I'm going to hit no. And then I would want you to come over here to Bubble Witch Saga, and you would be going to wherever the blitz is going to be, like you would normally do, and I want you to paste it. Okay? And my score is 173445. That is my score for this bingo card right here. And then I would want you to post it. And when you post it, it's going to come up. After you post it, I'm not going to push enter because it's going to go onto the screen. But in fact, I will. Okay, once you do, I'm just going to go ahead and hit post. I'm going to delete it real quick because everybody's going to look at it. I want you to hit post. No, I'm not. And then once you post, I want you to go back to say this is where you are and this is the blitz, okay? And I have put this down, and then I have my post for my bingo card. As a reply, then I want you to put your screenshot of this right here. And you already know how to place your screenshot. All that is going to do is show Connie, this is what I made of 173,445. And this is my bingo card to match it. Okay? And then you would just hit post, and then Connie will have that. Hope it helps.